Hello, this is Bytes, and this is part 2 of static and dynamic libraries. Since this is a continuation of part 1, we are diving right in. What's a dynamic library? A dynamic library is a library that is loaded at runtime rather than compile time. We can create our own dynamic libraries and use them in our programs. Same as in the last video, we are going to make the source and prototype files and write some simple code inside them. Then create a main file. Following the tutorial, the next step is compiling. And for the record, unlike last time, I made sure to read everything this time, but I still managed to get stuck again. Still, for some reason, I wasn't surprised at all. I kind of knew something like this would happen. Again. Well, the good news here is that since you are seeing this video, it means that I found what the problem was. The bad news, I typed the error in Google to see if there would be an answer, but the solution was for another topic. So I did what other programmers and developers warns you not to do as someone learning a language. I get the reason why they said that, because it's just copy-paste and you get nothing from it. There is also a chance of 80% that you're not going to understand what you copied. Also, the more code you write, the lesser the type errors you will commit. Spoilers, it was a waste of time. Nothing changed. I still keep getting the same errors that the program didn't find the file. I mean, you can see it there, standing, but I didn't know what I should be doing next in this case, so I looked for another explanation and copied its code and got the same errors. Well, after trying to figure out why it's not working, I've given up from looking and asked ChatGPT for the answer. And it was surprising. So this time the error was not caused by me, which feels weird somehow, because I keep saying to myself that I did something wrong again, or wrote something wrong. In the end, since the problem isn't coming from me, this time I called it quit. But I think I understood a bit about what a dynamic library is, and that was the main objective after all. Maybe if I had Linux, I would have displayed the process. Talking about Linux, another command I came across is this one. So on Windows, my hands were tied, and that's when I remembered that I have installed a Linux distro on my old laptop to try it some time ago. Well, since my laptop is old, I don't think it can handle recording a video from it, so I decided to take photos of the process. Enjoy! Anyway, that was all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And as always, see you next time.